How many times have you been left with an uneven drywall surface after a renovation? We know it's a common scenario, and that's where a drywall sander comes in handy. It's a specialized tool used in construction and renovation projects for smoothing drywall surfaces. So in today's video, we'll show you the top 5 best drywall sanders. The Mirka Rose is an exceptional drywall sander suitable for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Its innovative design allows the sanding head to flex 180 degrees and features a 5mm random orbital movement for those tricky corners. The powerful motor can be adjusted for any job, and the removable pad housing makes sanding edges and perpendicular walls effortless. Weighing less than 3.5 kilograms, it's easy to use for extended periods without discomfort. The ergonomic design ensures no back pain, making it ideal for long projects. With the included dust extractor and vacuum hose option, your workspace stays clean and you can breathe easily. The Mirka Rose is the perfect companion for achieving smooth and professional results with ease. Whether it's renovating a room with a new coat of paint or repairing your wall's blemishes, a drywall sander is the best solution to accomplish the task. That's where the Bravex electric sander comes in handy. If you're dealing with any professional or DIY project, this sander will be an ideal option to choose, because it offers unparalleled performance and durability with high-class sanding efficiency. Thanks to the powerful motor of this sander, you'll get an impressive 800-watt higher output and 6.5 amps of power for quick sanding. And there are no issues with the speed consistency. When it comes to adjusting the sanding speed, it allows you to switch between 6 different modes ranging from 500 to 1800 RPM. Thus, you can prevent accidental damage and bring a perfect look to your drywall. The sander also provides exceptional flexibility and comfort with its 360-degree rotating sanding disc that easily reaches tricky corners. Meanwhile, the 90-degree flexible sanding head adapts to your movements and reduces hand strain. Glide smoothly across surfaces with minimal resistance thanks to the ball-bearing rolling design, and enjoy enhanced visibility in dark areas with the built-in LED light. Besides, if you're someone who despises dust, the Bravex electric sander has got your back with its high-powered dust suction system and patented double sealing structure. This powerful combination eliminates up to 99% of dust from your workspace, automatically storing it in the included dust bag. So if you're searching for an all-around sanding solution for your upcoming project, then you can rely on this Bravex electric sander without hesitation. The WEN DW5084 Drywall Sander, a tool designed for versatility and convenience. It takes command of your sanding projects with the variable speed adjustment and lets you customize the RPM from 600 to 1500. This sander comes with a 2-in-1 form factor featuring both triangular and circular hook and loop sanding heads that effortlessly attach without any tools. The head-mounted 5-amp motors deliver maximum torque to deliver efficient and powerful sanding. Experience minimal cleanup thanks to the improved hole configuration, which maximizes dust collection. This sander comes in with a 15-foot dust hose, 6 9-inch sanding discs of assorted grits, and 6 triangular sandpapers of assorted grits, providing you with everything you need. Take your sanding game to new heights with the WEN DW5084 Drywall Sander. Experience the unparalleled performance of the Dewalt DCE 800P2 cordless drywall sander. With a brushless motor, it offers extended runtime, durability, and consistent speed. Connect effortlessly to Dewalt dust extractors using the airlock connection for quick dust removal. Enjoy precise control with the variable speed dial and maneuver easily in tight spaces with the telescoping shaft and articulating head. Reduce fatigue with its balanced weight distribution and choose from compatible soft and hard backing pads. Achieve a clean and healthy workspace with wireless tool control when paired with Dewalt dust extractors. Conquer your sanding task with confidence and simplicity using this remarkable sander. Elevate your sanding experience with the Festool PlaneX LHS2225. This remarkable tool combines advanced technology and innovative design to elevate your sanding game. Powered by a robust and maintenance-free brushless EC motor, it ensures long-lasting performance. The random orbit sanding motion delivers a flawless, scratch-free surface finish that revitalizes walls and ceilings. Say goodbye to fatigue with adjustable suction power that lightens the load on your arms and back, enabling comfortable extended use. With its variable working length, the PlaneX adapts to reach distant areas with ease and reduced weight. The ergonomic T-handle design grants precise control, allowing you to handle even the most challenging angles effortlessly. Plus, the Sustainer SY-S3XXL offers a secure and space-saving solution for transportation and storage. So that was a video of our top 5 best drywall sanders. Thanks for watching our video. like, comment and share with your friends if you found this video to be helpful. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.